What is up everybody, welcome to GysticTutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to delete fonts off your Windows PC. Let's get into it. So you guys want to go to your control panel, go to the search bar in the bottom left and control panel should come up. So click on the control panel app and then up in the top right here, there's a drop down that says category. You want to select view by large icons and then go into fonts. And here you can see all the fonts that you have downloaded on your PC. Let's just delete this one. So as you can see, it's been installed. So now we are going to select it. You can select multiple by holding Control and clicking on the ones you want to delete. You can uncheck it by clicking it again. And then you want to click the delete selected fonts. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this font? Just click yes, and that font should be deleted. And it is. And the font actually just deletes straight off your computer. It doesn't go to your recycling bins. So make sure you're 100% sure you want to get rid of the font. If this helped you, hit that like button. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button as well. And comment down below any video ideas you have for this channel. And that is it from me. Peace out.